how to generate Polaroid image in Nano Banana using your mobile phone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to open Gemini in your mobile phone. So I will open it. Here you guys will select 2.5 flash if you will have any other selected here. So once you select it, you guys will see Ask Gemini also image with banana icon. To simply click on that. Here you guys need to click on plus. Now go to gallery and upload the 2% pics. So I will simply upload it to create Polaroid image. After that, click on done. Here you guys need to write that prompt. So I will simply paste the prompt. You guys can copy that prompt as well. I will show it on screen. So once you guys paste the prompt, simply click on go option, like that arrow. Now wait a little bit. After waiting for 10 seconds, our perfect Polaroid image was generated. Thanks for watching. There's how you guys can do that.